First, head over to your Play Store or App Store and type ASDI on search bar, then, install it. Open the app. Connect your preferred wallet. In my case, I choose Trust Wallet. If it's not working, just retry. Agree and sign. Go to Settings and allow notifications. Press and hold for a few seconds. There you have it! You've just mined your first ASDI points. Congratulations! Come back every 24 hours on this app and press the button to continue mining. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this.